What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're gonna be working on the Escalade again. I found some issues on it. Let me show y'all real quick. So the CV boot is leaking. Y'all see that right there? It's leaking right there, guys. So I bought this it's called like a speedy boot, so it's gonna be like split. Here, let me show y'all real quick. I'll do it with one hand. But anyways, it's got a split in it, so you ain't gotta take the whole thing off. So we're gonna try that. Hopefully this is the right size. I got the CV boot pliers and everything to put this thing on. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get right back with y'all right after this intro. Peace. Alright guys, story of my life. Memory card ran out, so while I was waiting on it to download, I went ahead and pulled the old boot off. I don't even got my gloves on, so let me show y'all. There it is right there. I ain't touching it. I cleaned everything up again, so now I'm gonna straighten out the wheel and we'll see if we can get this new one on. This ain't gonna be a long video, guys. I'm just this the first time I did one of these on a this is an all-wheel drive vehicle, so I just want to show y'all. And then if you ever buy a speedy boot, you know, you can do it yourself. So anyways, let me get the wheel lined up, let me wipe everything off one more time, and then we'll get ready to do this thing. Alright guys, I was gonna set up the tripod, but really I'm freaking tired. I just got done wrapping all the rims and everything for this truck. Oh yeah, y'all see, I really put the brakes in. I was saying I was gonna put new brakes. So we just gonna slide this bad boy on there. I hope it ain't getting grease on that part that I need to seal, cause I'm trying to record. Alright, we're gonna let it hang tight right there. Let me show y'all the adhesive. So it comes with this, so you put that on there, get it sealed up real good, and then I think you wait 15 minutes. So we'll get that knocked out. Alright guys, I'm back. It's a whole nother day. So this one right here, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's good quality, but it's the wrong size. So epic fail on that. I got up this morning and found two of these, so I'm covering the label. So this should be the right size. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just show y'all me doing one. I'm not gonna do both on camera, and I gotta get my gloves and stuff on too, golly. But we'll go ahead and pop that one off. Hopefully I don't get grease all over myself. Anyways, yeah, that was way too small. So let me grab my gloves real quick. I'll get that one on there. Now let me show y'all something, if I can show y'all. Well, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it, but this got a line in there. I don't know if y'all can see that line. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. So this is it's got a line so you can put this boot on real quick without pulling the whole freaking axle out. And I'm not trying to do all that. I can do it, but everybody knows I done spent way too much time working on this truck, so I'm trying to get this thing done. So that the adhesive that you use, it seals real quick. So I'm gonna probably do that part off camera and then show me clamping it up and everything. So give me a minute. Alright guys, I got it knocked out. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I gotta go ahead and finish up doing the lights, man. I'm spending too much time doing this. So anyways, that's done. If y'all need that part number again, 614-003. And yeah, we'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.